What is up, guys? Welcome back to Shortline Railfan channel here on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. Welcome back to another amazing shortline adventure here. We got the Kiamichi Railroad here. They're doing a rare switch action here on today. Freddie's going first now, so Freddie's a very special person, or not person, light here today. So here comes Freddie down the line. They're doing a rare shot action. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to slam the door. Here comes Kiamichi Freddie. We just seen Ronnie on the SUV. I figured this thing's a long train. Alright guys, meet you somewhere else. Alrighty guys, here they are right here at this railroad crossing. They're fixing to back up here. Alright. Mom. Okay, I'm recording. Anyways, they're fixing to do their switch stunt. You can pull right here and I'll walk up there. Okay. Okay, we're gonna really quickly do this and we're going to get them going back. I think they're either gonna do this. I don't know what they're gonna do. So, here we go on the KRR, known as the Kiamichi Railroad. Crossings go down before I get there. I'll make sure to zoom in. No, Ronnie's down here. Alrighty guys, here we go on the Kiamichi Railroad. My stomach has been hurting since 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock. I ate too much, so yeah, here they come. They're backing up, doing a weird move action on here. So yeah, I'm walking along the road right now, trying to get them. I hope I don't get in trouble. Shouldn't. Ronnie's nice. I think they're gonna do what I think they're gonna do. Well, here they go. I've been recording for 3 minutes. Can't believe it. Alright, here they come. Alrighty, here we go on Kiamichi Railroad. Ronnie, talk to me. Heard something on the scanner about derail, but yeah. I heard Ronnie's scanner, but yeah. my face. It honestly did. I thought he was gonna get on to me, but he didn't. But I'm a Railfanner. It's all fine. I know it is with him. The Kiamichi railroad crew is so nice. Like, oh my gosh, one of the nicest railroad crews I know. Oh yeah, guys, I caught the grain train this morning. I still have to upload the video though. Yeah, this is a train from last night at 3 o'clock in the morning. It is just now 9:15. And I really liked how Ronnie was so nice. It really made my day to get to talk to him. Just never you see a Kiamichi railroad crew just ask how you're doing. First of all, I thought he was gonna get on me, like I said, because he's like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "I'm filming the train." And once he realized, I know who you are. You're the one that I always wave at with Marshall. And I'm like, "Yeah, you're Josh, right?" And I said, "Yeah." He said, "Oh, okay. How you been doing?" I said, "Good. How about you?" He said, "Good." He said, "Not too bad, actually." Alright, they're out of that spur. So the engines, they're coming back from the spur that they tied down at last night. That way that they can come that way. They're gonna do some kind of switching to turn the engines around. Somehow, I guess you have to have a turntable to actually turn the engines. But the engines actually should be coming soon though. So yeah. Yeah, it may not be light enough right here where I'm standing, but sorry about the light. I'm parked down there. Yep, I see the engines. Dang, it's humming. It looks like distributed power units, but they're not. Yeah, wow, I didn't see those last night. Dang, this train's going all the way back to the crossing I usually film at. Oh, look who's coming around the corner. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Wait, they didn't have that. Oh yeah, they did. How they doing that? Ain't nobody in any engine. What the heck? Okay, bye. I'll see you in a minute. Alrighty guys, I'm walking along the road here. I think they're remote controlling somehow. Alright, they're heading back this way. They're coming back. Oh dang, I didn't even... That's exactly what I figured. Alrighty. I'm back. he's getting in the seat. This is kind of a mix-up video too. There's a Kiamichi Railroad taxi. Oh, my goodness, they're all the way back there. That's how long they are. 2 engines. One of them, this is actually 1 engine, because the ones faced that way don't have no power. Woohoo! I think he's remote controlling it, actually. Alright, they're going on that spur. Second time catching them doing this action. Alright, catch you guys in just a second. Alright, they turned the little light on, but yeah, it's only been a second. It's 9:22 right now, so they got plenty of time. It's weird to see them do this kind of action. I mean, you got the lumber cars sitting there, then you got their whole train blocking all crossings down the line. But now here they are. That's all that matters, is they're safe, and they're fixing to go back on the spur, pick up those cars down that way, and guess they're gonna pick up the rest of their train and go on. Oh, here you go again. Oh God, I never posted that video where they went on the spur one time. Crossing's not gonna go down? There they go. Almost hit their car. Weird stunt action here on the KRR. Almost a 15-minute video. Ding ba ding ba ding a ding. Go Kiamichi Railroad! Woo, woo. anybody messes with you or anything when you're rail fanning, just tell them that you're a rail fanner and leave you alone. And if anybody, like I said, messes with you, just tell them to leave you alone. You're a rail fanner and they call us cops. But they pulled up the sheriff that you guys just seen. He was talking. He went up there because somebody called the sheriff on that car right there because it was parked on that close to the track. And whenever he went to talk to him, they told him that we work for the railroad. We can be this close. And I don't know if that's exactly what he said though, but I bet that's what he said or something. Because that was not right for them to come up there, that cop was to come up there like that and say, pull up right beside me and go up there and almost arrest me, not really, but yeah. Not arrest, but you know what I mean. Another 20-minute video. Oh, dang. Alright. They're gonna go change that switch and then they're gonna come back across and get their train. Dang. Puts up a whole deal of traffic. Do you think we gotta go so slow? Darn, they're gonna get stuck on the track. Anyways, bet you anything this will be a 20-minute video once everything's added up. Rhoni was really nice though, to be honest with y'all. I've actually never really got to talk to Rhoni. It really surprised me at first I thought he was going to, like I said in the last clip, I thought he was going to get on to me, but I told him after I said, I'm recording the train. He said, he didn't say anything, but then he came around and said, how you been doing? I'm like, good. I was going to say, I'm Marshall's little sidekick, you know, Marshall Price. But yeah, here we are on a, oh God, I almost dropped my phone. Here on a Tuesday, I believe. I think so. Yeah, Tuesday. So, they're either gonna head that way or they're gonna head that way. I don't know which way they're heading. I bet you anything after they get their train, they're heading that way because that's the only way it looks visible as. They could just park right there. Didn't they have that to do with? Alright, here we go. And they're gonna have a long train. That was a domino effect. Well, I may catch you guys down at 70. I don't know. Well, catch you then. Okay? Goodbye, y'all. This is kind of weird how they're just around. They coupled. They can't do this for long because they have a whole train on the line. All you can do is sing the ding 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 ding. Probably get back to you guys. I don't want this going on forever. I'll probably just get back to you guys. Already, they haven't moved, but the line of cars are starting to already pile up. Alright, I'll get back to you guys whenever they move. Alright. We caught that action. Yep, they need to hurry up because they already somehow got the cops called on them, the sheriff called on them or something. That's crazy. With that called on them for no damn reason. That's actually stupid. They have a right to go across the gates like that. Y'all are all good. Come across. I guess I'll get back to you guys. Continue this whenever they start to do what move and stuff, okay? What is up, guys? Welcome back to Shoreline Railfan channel. We're here at 70, and whoa, and I'm going to be recording them here now.
Hurry up.
Okay. Y'all go. All right, here they come. Hot roast, the Kiamichi Railroad. Sorry about that, y'all. You know what? I'm gonna film over here. I'm gonna film and see if there's any conductor. They're pumping those engines up. Gonna risk it, big truck. Gonna risk it? Oh, I thought you were going the other way. Thought you were gonna go this way, but never mind. Oh, the car's gonna risk it. Woo-hoo! They were getting out. I'm like, what? Who that? Look like their door open though. I more honestly like it where I used to go, but now that I'm over here, I guess this will do. This is where I'm gonna be filming I know. Since I'm already over here. This same train as yesterday at 3 o'clock. We'll come by at 3 o'clock. Oh wow, yeah, they're going pretty fast too. This is a Tuesday too. Never see a train come on a Tuesday from this direction. They're supposed to be coming from that direction on Tuesday. Oh God, my SD card's out of storage, guys. So catch you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all. Shoreline Railfan signing out. Go subscribe to Mark. All right, sorry about that. There they go. They're going over here right now. I missed some of the cars, but that's okay because this is kind of long too. So I don't blame my SD card for running out of storage space. I need to delete some videos. But yeah, I hope my internal storage doesn't run out of space. But yeah. I need to get a new phone. It's in general what I need to get. Well, my mom's phone's 64 gigabytes. I don't know what phone I'll get. Same one my mom has. I'm running out of storage at the worst time. But I always got my video editor. Yeah, they're long tonight. They connected to those cars that were over there at the spur, or not the spur, the second track that's over there by down that way, over by the feed store, and you know the other places down that way. So yeah, after this, we're gonna head home. Oh dang, Easy Gate is where that's from. That's about almost all the cars. Oh wow, there's cars on that do not block. That's good. Thank you, car, for parking that way. I'm also here with my mom and my sister, and that's it. My buddy Lee moved, so as you've seen in yesterday's video, or basically today's video, since I caught the grain train this morning, as I said in the last few clips, but yeah. It was amazing to catch that train. Dang, they're going fast. They're going about 15 or 20. It's the same train as yesterday. like I said, it's just them coming back from the spur after dropping this train off to let the NSF on. Ow, their brakes. Loud. There's Freddie. He's actually blinking fast because they went, as you're seeing in the first clip, they went Freddie backwards. I was at like 8, and here it is, 10:21 already. It's not a Railfan is fixing to end. Talk to you guys later. There goes Freddie. There goes Kiamichi Freddie. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications. As you've seen in the last clip, I try to do that. Ding, 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 ding. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Go subscribe to Railfan, Marshall Prize, JDD Trains, and go subscribe to my friend. I'm saying he's a very good friend of mine. Anyways, guys, we're going to end this here. Talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all.